Hello students, today I brought a problem for you all. It is to find the area of triangle ABC in which side AB is equal to 6 centimeter, side BC equal 5 centimeter and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Want to try it? Pause the video and start solving it. Okay, let us solve it. Now, first of all, I will draw the diagram. Okay, I am drawing it over here. You can see it is A, B, C. I have drawn it. I have drawn a triangle. I am just writing its dimension over here. This is 6 centimeter. This is equal to 5 centimeter, and this is 60 degree. Okay. I know many of the students must be thinking that we do not have height over here because we know the formula area of triangle equal to half into base into height. If I take this base, but what is the height over here? We do not know. If I take this base, now what is the height over here? Nor it is the right angle triangle. Or I have not given you the third side so that you can use the Heron's formula. Then what to do? Let us do it. Let us derive a formula first of all here. I am leaving the question aside. Let us derive a formula for such questions. See, suppose this is a triangle ABC. You know that this is equal to small a, this is equal to small c, and this side is equal to small b. Suppose this angle is given to you theta. Okay. Now what I am going to do? What I am going to do over here? I am going to drop a perpendicular from A on this side BC. You can see I have drawn a perpendicular over here. I am named it as this point as D. So I have written over here construction, draw AD perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now I can use this angle and this side to find this length, that is using trigonometry. See, I am pulling out the figure. I am just pulling out the figure. This is right angle triangle. Now this angle is theta B. This is D. This is A, and this length is C. Now I can use this length and this angle to find this perpendicular height. So, which trigonometrical ratio I am going to use over here? It is sine. Sine theta. Sine means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now over here, perpendicular is AD, and hypotenuse is AB. Now, sine theta. Can I write in place of, let AD be AD equal to AD only and AB equal to C. Now see, I will cross multiply it. I will get is C times sine of theta equal to AD. That means we got AD equal to C times sine theta. Okay. Now come to the triangle. Area of triangle ABC. We know the formula. What is that? The general half into base into height. Okay. Now see. What is the base over here? I have taken base as BC. And what is the height? This altitude AD. Okay. Now, in place of BC, I am going to write A. Okay. This small a. And altitude AD we have just now calculated it. This is C times sine theta. Okay. So this looks like half AC sine theta. Okay. Come over here. So we can write area of triangle ABC equal to half AC sine theta. Now Suppose I don't want to write theta over here. This theta is at angle B. So I'll write over here angle B. Now look it carefully. When we have AC, we have used sine of angle B. We can also use this formula, half. If I use AB, so over here I can use sine of angle C. We have AB, we can use angle C, or we can use this half into BC. If I am using BC, so I am going to use sine of angle A. So we have formulas over here, total 3 formula. It is similar for finding the area of the triangle when two sides and included angle is given to you. Now I can use this formula to find its area. Okay, now let us find it out. You can carefully look over here. Since this is vertex A, so this is equal to A, means A equal to 5. Now this is vertex C, so this is equal to small c. Okay, so and this is angle B. So which formula I am going to use? I have A, I have C. So I am going to use this one. Okay, so area of triangle ABC is equal to half times AC into sine of angle B over here. Now let us plug in the value. A, small a is equal to 5, C is equal to 6, and in place of angle B I am going to write 60 degree. Okay, and all together we are going to write centimeter square. Now let us calculate it. Half, this is 5 into 6, sine 60 degree equal to square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, now we can eliminate it. Let us see. 2 table 2 times. Okay, so what we are left with, we have 5 and see over here, sorry, 2 table 3 times, it's a mistake. Okay, 2 table 3 times. Now this is 15 times square root of 3 divided by 2 centimeter square. Want to give the answer in decimal? You can give 15. In place of root 3 I am going to write 1.732 divided by 2 centimeter square. Let us divide it. See, 0.866. Now we are left with 15 times 0.866 centimeter square. You can also multiply it further. Let us multiply it. 15 6 are 9. So the multiplication over here. Let us multiply it. Don't make any mistake while multiplying. Okay. We can multiply over here. This is 5 6 times. Or you can directly multiply it. 15 6 are 90. Bring it 9 over here. Again 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 9 equal to 99. A 9 carried. 15 8 is 120. 120 plus 9 equal to 129. Okay. Now 3 decimal place and write it over here. This is equal to 12.990 centimeter square, or you can write approximately 13 centimeter square. Okay, I hope you have understood it, the theory behind it and how to apply the formula. Thank you very much.